In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. Seamlessly connecting these two powerful platforms can simplify your workflow and enhance productivity. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this integration effortlessly. To get started, head over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where you manage projects and tasks across your teams. The interface is intuitive, so navigating through it should be fairly simple, even for new users. Now that you're on your Monday.com dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. There you'll find an assortment of icons representing various features and tools. What we're interested in today is the Marketplace icon. Go ahead and give that a click. The Marketplace is your gateway to a range of apps designed to bolster the capabilities of Monday.com, offering integrations that can streamline many of your business processes. Now, with the Marketplace open, you'll see a search bar at the top, your best friend for finding any app available in the Marketplace. Click into that search bar and type in HubSpot. HubSpot is a powerful tool for marketing, sales, and customer service. It can help you nurture leads and convert them into customers, all through efficient automation, making it an invaluable addition to your Monday.com setup. After entering HubSpot into the search bar, take a look at the search results. You need to find the HubSpot app, which should be among the top listings. Once you've located it, you'll notice a Use App button next to the HubSpot logo. Click on it to proceed. You might get redirected to a new page with more details about the app and what it can do within the Monday.com ecosystem. Don't worry if this takes a moment. It's just loading all the necessary information to ensure you understand what benefits the HubSpot integration brings. With those details in mind, it's time to solidify that connection by clicking on the HubSpot link. The option should be pretty prominent on the page. From here, a straightforward process will help you finalize the integration. At this point, ensure that you have your HubSpot account credentials handy, as you'll need them to authorize the connection between Monday.com and HubSpot. And there you have it, you've just integrated HubSpot with Monday.com. This connection allows you to maximize the efficiency of your operations by bringing together the effective project management tools from Monday.com with the robust marketing and sales capabilities of HubSpot. This union paves the way for a more organized, focused, and productive working environment. By following these steps, you are now equipped to elevate your team's performance and customer engagement strategies, all through the seamless integration of these two dynamic platforms. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it smooths out your journey to increased automation and efficiency.